It's William and we're in the Riverstone and we're going to do a review, and this is a dash cam. So you RV transporter guys are probably going to be interested in this. What I like about it is it's OEM style, so it's not going to be a big mess. Retails for like $250 depending on where you get it from. I did a lot of research on this before I had them send it to me, but this is the one that I wanted to go with. You all know that I have one built into my Garmin. But you know what? It just doesn't do everything I want. And the way I have it location, it doesn't give me the best picture. This here will do the job. Let's just see what they say on their website.
OEM style dash cam. Everything looks like in factory. Don't even know it's there. Windshield mounted. No wires or cameras hanging. No line of sight obstruction. Easy to install. Plug and play. Built-in Wi-Fi. Live stream video preview on smartphone free app. Front camera. Ultra HD 4K wide-angle video. View angle. Front 170 degrees. Rear 140 degrees. Front 4K and rear 1080p. Parking monitor. G-sensor. Super night vision. More models suit for different vehicles.
Okay, so it's supposed to be super easy. We'll find that out later today when I actually get to the truck. But I didn't want a bunch of wires. I'm so tired of things just hanging all over the place. So when they told me that, no, this goes right into your existing mirror setup on there and it'll be made for your vehicle. You know, they make them for all the trucks that we got out there, guys. So I'm thinking, you know what? Maybe this is the way to go. I don't know. But I was like, you know what? It's been here for a while. I just haven't been here for a while. If we can get the thing to open up, that's always the fun part. But I like that it's an OEM style. There's nothing, you know, just sticking out there looking, you know, looking crazy and all that. I didn't want any of that. So I didn't want something blocking my vision. I got enough stuff blocking my vision. Okay, let's see what we got in the box. All the instructions that I'll read later before I start putting it in there, but I don't know. Let's see what we got, guys. So is it a whole complete unit? Does it change my whole mirror unit? Is that what it does? If that is, then somebody spent some time and research on this thing. And it looks like that's what it does. Okay, look at that. It has the plugins to plug everything in. And the camera is right there. This is supposed to fit a Sierra. So hopefully it was. She had me, there's some vents you got to count on yours so you get the right one. There's got a couple locations on the one that's in there and you count the vents on it, and that's what tells them what they need. It's got a card slot too, so you got a memory slot. But look at that. I'm going to have a dash cam up in there that looks like it came that way right from General Motors factory. Is that awesome or what? That's why I wanted to show you this. Everything I see is mounting to your mirror, hooking to your windshield, more crap, wires and everything hanging down. This all gets tucked away. And you got a dash cam. Can't get any more professional looking than that. Let's see what else we got in the back of here. Or should I say inside the box? This looks like... Is this another camera? Please make sure screen is not upside down. Okay, so I guess you can mount this probably in your back window or something. So you got a rear cam. We'll have to do some research on that because I'm not quite sure where that gets plugged in. I got to wire that all the way up to the front of the vehicle, I guess. That'll be fun. And we got some adapters. I'm not even sure what all this stuff is yet. But everything is in the box that you need to do this job. Even the zip ties. If there's anything else in there, it's just nope. So basically what you're paying for is the camera and the unit that is designed for your vehicle right there. Plus there's a smart app so you can watch everything on your phone. I'm actually looking forward to it. This is the thing that I wanted to get here for to work on. And if this is a rear camera, I'll add it. Get it all put in there and wire it up in there. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to wire it up in there. This might be the only part that I'm not going to enjoy is the rear camera. But if you got it, you might as well install it, right? But We're gonna read some directions and do all that stuff before we get any further on this. But this is the first part of the video, and I just wanted to show you what we got here. That's the whole unit. I don't know if it comes with a... I'll talk about that more. Nope, it does come with the micro SD card too, so you don't need anything there. So it looks like you have everything you need to put this together. You just got to find time to do it like me. But we got it. And it is, again, Mangold OEM-style dash cam with a rear cam that's 1080. The dash cam is 4K. Comes with everything in the box to do what you need to do. So we'll be back with the rest of this video. Well, let's see if I can show you how this thing turned out, because I have been so busy today that it's actually dark out. But you can see right there how nice it fit. It looks factory. There's your little micro SD card. It comes with a 128 micro SD card. Let's go look at the outside real quick. You can actually see how you can see some of the wiring right there. I could probably put some black stuff in there to cover that up, but my flashlight needs to be charged. But it looks OEM. I mean, the only way you're going to notice that is when you're right on top of the windshield, but I think I can put something in there. I mean, when you look up there now, yeah, you can't tell that it's yeah, you can't tell it's not OEM. My flashlight's dead, sorry guys. But yeah, let's go in here and look at the phone real quick. I've had a lot of projects today that I've been trying to get done, and the weather's crappy. But look at that. Shows it right in front of me there. Got a wide angle view. I didn't hook the rear one up because I already have so many rear cameras. I might do it later on. But I did plug it in and it does work. I just don't have time to wire it up today. I just wanted to get this done before this next trip. But I like how nice it fits. I mean, you can hook this thing up in 10 minutes. It's so easy to do. Well, that was the easiest thing I ever hooked up. I mean, it comes with everything you need. You don't even have to look at the directions. You can see which plugs into where, and you plug it in, and then, you start your truck up. It'll start powering on. You download the app, and you go to Wi-Fi, and you put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it automatically, that's the password, and then it lets you set it up on your phone, and I mean, it's right there. Oh, let's try that again. It's right there. Hopefully it's not so bright you can't see it, but oh, heck, wrong page. Let's try that again. I don't know if I can actually, let's see if I can go wider. Oh, there you go. Let's try it like that. See what's right in front of me. It's recording. It's 4K. That's pretty good for night vision, because it's dark out here. But for all you RV transporters that keep asking me all the time, hey, what are you using for a dash cam? Well, this is the one we're using, and I was using my Garmin, but I like the way this fit and finish. It has accident detection. It has parking lot if it's in a parking area, and it's got detection for that. Anybody bumps it or touches it or anything like that, it's supposed to notify you. So we'll play with it for a while. But the quality and the fit and finish and the way it plugs in, and so simple, perfect. No complaints at all. So always